Hi, welcome to Acro Alchemy. I'm Kath.
And I'm Simon. Tonight we're going to continue our series on back flying. So last time we showed you a video with a trust and alignment drill to get the flyer used to going into the right position for getting up into back bird. So tonight we're going to show you how to get from that position up into the back flying position. So,
Let's go.
Right, so as we said last night, we're going to get the base into their usual L basing position, so on their back. We're looking for the flyer to have their feet, come on,
Come in.
there we go, gotcha. So we can reach their heels. Feet goes to the back, curving nicely around its bottom, and balls of the feet to the top of the pelvis, so around the sacrum.
I'm going to bring my hands, thumbs on the inside of his ankles, squeezing my elbows in towards each other, and then start to lean in.
So I'm going to bend my knees to receive my flyer's weight. I'm going to reach for the elbows, and once I've got her elbows and her weight is over my hips, I'm going to press straight up.
I stag one leg, that just means to bend one knee, and I bring my big toe onto my opposite knee.
So I've got my hands here where I can give my flyer a little bit of extra reassurance to their shoulders, and when they're happy they can just relax back, and all I'm doing here is keeping my legs nice and vertical, nice and straight, and just using my toes to regulate the balance.
Coming out, I'm going to take hold of his ankles again, thumbs in, squeeze the elbows in towards each other, and tuck chin towards chest.
I'm going to bend my knees and start to point my toes gently to bring my flyer to the floor.
So I can keep hold of his ankles so I don't fall forwards.
And that's it. So, thanks for
Bumped onto the wall. Thank you very much for watching.
If you've got any questions or queries, just pop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Bye for now.
Bye.